Maximize your Blackhawk. Meet the next generation Blackhawk. Moog's Genesys Avionics suite and weapon stores management modernizes and weaponizes your aircraft. Proven, mission-ready, and cost-effective. Replace obsolete legacy avionics with state-of-the-art systems that reduce maintenance, decrease weight, and increase reliability, backed by decades of military aviation experience. Moog's Genesys displays deliver flight data, weather, alerts, and mission-critical information at a glance. Moog's GDR radio combines navigation and VHF-UHF communications in one compact unit, saving both weight and space. The GRC 4000 4-axis Autopilot lets pilots lift off, hover, fly en route, and land automatically in all weather, reducing workload and improving safety, so pilots can focus on mission-critical tasks. Moog's Weapon Stores Management System integrates launch platforms and mission computers to enable precise and reliable weapons deployment. From secure mounting to rapid firing, Moog systems deliver mission success. The mission computer processes all weapon system commands, ensuring responsiveness and accuracy. Maximize your Blackhawk. Contact Moog today.